Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining how to get Canada work visa from the UK. If you really want to experience a taste of the life in Canada, then this video is for you. My name is Terriella and I will be taking you on this journey. Please like our videos if you find them informative and subscribe to our channel. United Kingdom citizens and many people working, studying or living there can get Canada work visa from the UK. It is not uncommon to find individuals who migrate to Canada from the UK. There may be as much job opportunities, or even more, in the UK as there are in Canada, yet, Canada has many positive reasons for being a destination country. One is the relatively lower amount of competition. Handy Travel Guide channel presents you with a guide to move from United Kingdom to Canada. Canada is still very much an underpopulated country, making the hustle for quality jobs not as tough as what is seen in the UK. If you really want to experience a taste of the life in Canada, then this video on how to get the Canada work visa from the UK is for you. You might think getting a work visa is as simple as just applying for it. However, there are smart steps you can take to save yourself the frustration of rejection. First, you need to know what the Canadian work permit is and how it works. Working in Canada itself is very much different from what is the culture in the UK. You should not make the mistake of not appropriately following the guidelines for obtaining employment in Canada. Your work permit is the official document that confers you the liberty to work in Canada. Having a work permit implies you will be physically present in Canada to take the job. Hence, if you are working remotely for a Canadian organization while still in the UK, you do not need a work permit. There are several types of work permits, depending on the immigration pathway you are working with. However, work permits are generally classified as either open work permits or closed work permits. Let's look at Canada Open Work Permit from UK. This type of work permit gives you the liberty to work with any kind of employer in Canada. Examples of open work permits in Canada are the Work and Study Permits, Postgraduate Work Permit, PGWP, Bridging Open Work Permit, BOWP, and the work permit issued to an intercompany transferee from UK or other countries. Anyone from the UK who migrates to Canada through the express entry system will also automatically get an open work permit. Another is Canada Closed Work Permit from UK. The closed work permit is a special kind of work permit that is customized to fit a specific job offer. The document includes details like the name of the employer or organization, the employment location, and the duration of employment. The closed work permit is also referred to as employer-specific work permit. Example of close work permits are those offered to individuals who immigrate to Canada through the Provincial Nominee Program. Did you know you can apply for jobs in Canada from the UK? Except for few work permits like the Postgraduate Work Permit and the Co-op Work Permit, people from UK usually need a job offer first before you can apply for a work visa from the immigration authorities. Even when a valid job offer is not a compulsory criterion, getting an employment before applying for work permit can increase the prospects of getting your application approved. Please like this video if you find it informative and subscribe to our channel. Many immigration options to Canada, such as the Express Entry and the Provincial Nominee Program, are based on the relevant skills applicants have to be able to work in Canada. You therefore need the appropriate skills that will earn you a job offer or invitation to get Canada work visa from the UK. The most common immigration pathways for obtaining a job in Canada are intercompany transfer, Provincial Nominee Program, Global Talent System, Canadian Experience Class, Federal Skilled Worker Program, FSWP, Federal Skilled Trades Program, FSTP, Agriculture Worker Stream, Agri-Food Pilot, Caregivers Program, Quebec Skilled Workers, Academics. Asides the above, there are also other immigration options that can earn you a job or opportunity to work in Canada and ultimately help you get Canada work visa from the UK. You can tailor your job search to meet the requirements for one or two immigration pathways so that applying for a work visa after getting employment can be easy. The immigration option you are working with will also determine if you will get an open or a closed work permit. You may be able to apply for some of these options even if you don't have a job offer. In such cases, you will be invited to take jobs that are relevant to your education and previous work experience. Some of these pathways may not only grant you a work permit, but also permanent residence. What are the eligibility requirements for Canada Work Permit? In order to get Canada Work Visa from the UK, the following requirements has to be met, in addition to getting a job offer in Canada. Your application for work permit may be rejected or delayed if you don't meet specified eligibility criteria. Usually, you will receive emails indicating the need to meet certain requirements you missed while you are applying. However, it is best to understand the demands well before applying so the process can be smooth and your status can be determined in time. Basic eligibility requirements for any kind of work permit in Canada. A clean criminal record from the UK and any other country you may have been before. A clear medical record. You may need to take a medical exam. Diploma or degree educational qualification. This must not be later than 5 years from the application time, and the minimum study time for any kind of educational qualification is 2 years. You will prove this by submitting your credentials when applying. A valid UK passport. This must be issued to the British National Overseas, B&O, by UK. 2 passport photographs of yourself, as well as that of your family members who will be immigrating with you. Proof of sufficient funds for yourself and other immediate family members that will migrate with you to Canada. If the work permit you are applying for is temporal, you must prove that you will exit Canada as soon as your work duration indicated in your work permit expires. Proof of proficiency in English or French, this criteria depends on the pathway. In addition, if you're applying to join your spouse or common law partner, you need to provide proof of relationship such as marriage certificate and so on. Finally, ensure to follow the UK government's Living in Canada guide. Applying for the Canada Work Visa. You can apply for the Canadian Work Permit online or on paper. Applying online is recommended as it is easier, faster, and saves you costs of sending your documents via a courier service. Also, you can readily upload any other document requested by the IRCC through your online account. After you apply, you can view your work permit application status through your account. To apply for the Canada Work Permit online, you must do the following. Fill the application form for work permit made outside of Canada, that is, the IMM 1295. Complete the family information form. Fill the use of a representative form if you are employing a representative. Using a credit card or Canadian debit card, pay the stipulated amount after you've completed the forms. Work permit made from UK, IMM 1295. In this form you will fill out all information related to your biodata and contact information. The form is quite comprehensive and you must fill all details correctly. Details like your name and date of birth should not contradict what is contained in your UK passport or ID, or you will have to provide an affidavit to support the change. You will also fill in details concerning your new job in Canada and the type of work permit you are applying for. If the type of work permit you are applying for requires LMIA, you must provide the document and your original employment contract in the section provided. Not every applicant from the United Kingdom require LMIA, you need to check if this applies to you. When applying for an open work permit, you may not need LMIA, but you must include the name of your employer. If you are applying for postgraduate work permit, simply put postgraduate work permit in the space provided for the employer's name. Other details you will include about your job are: the full address of your employer, the full address of where you will be working in Canada, your job title and job description, duration of your job offer. This includes the start and end dates and should tally with what is contained in your LMIA and offer of employment. The LMIA number or the LMIA exempt number. In completing your application for a Canadian work permit from the UK, you must also provide details on your education, current and previous employments, and other background information. There are things you need to pay for when applying for a work permit. The application processing fee. The open work permit holder fee. The biometric fee. Not all persons applying to get Canada Work Visa from the UK will need to submit their biometrics, especially if they have done so during previous applications submitted to the IRCC in the past 10 years. If you are not submitting new biometrics, then you don't need to pay the biometrics fee. The work permit application fee is $155 Canadian dollars. Open work permit holder fee is $100 Canadian dollars. It will cost $85 Canadian dollars per person as biometrics fee. After you pay, you must print at least 2 copies of the receipt of the transaction. You will attach a copy in the application and keep one for yourself. If you don't the receipt, you will not be able to prove your payments. Depending on the nature of your new job, you may be issued a temporary resident visa, TRV, and/or electronic work permit, ETA, after your application has been processed. Either of these 2 documents permits you to enter and remain in Canada for the period of time indicated in your work permit. We hope this video will help you secure Canada Work Visa from the UK without much stress. You may also check processing time for UK applicants. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell and set it to all. What questions do you have? Please post them in the comment section below and I will reply them as soon as I can. In my next video, I will be discussing how to apply for Canada's Startup Visa from Nigeria. Remember to subscribe and the notification bell and set it to all. Stay strong. I love you all.